Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been quite a while since I've vlogged. I've had videos that I have been uploading, but I just haven't vlogged anything in quite a while, and you guys are like really zoomed in. Whoa, I'm zooming you even more. There, that's so much better. Y'all were like way up in the business here. I just got Lincoln a little bit of some juice. I'm about to clean this house. It badly needs cleaned. We're about to clean up the living room. Here, baby. Linky. Here, baby. Hi, baby. Mommy, scratch your head. Can I scratch your head? You don't like the camera? No. Does the camera scare you, baby? It's okay. I promise. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good baby. That's a good baby. Yeah. Is her a pretty girl? Is her a pretty girl? Yeah. Her mama's pretty girl? Yeah. Her mama's pretty baby. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Don't be scared. Yeah? You say hi to everybody? You're scared of the camera still, huh, baby? You're shaking. You want a treat? Can Mommy give you a treat for this? Oh, sorry, Link.
Alright, so I just put the light bulb in the bathroom, and you can't tell if it's too bright. It makes such a difference. I don't know why I waited so long to switch these light bulbs.
She loves these sunflower seeds. They're just regular sunflower seeds. It's hard to zoom in on it, but... And I just give her those for treats for like letting me scratch her head or, you know, just being a good girl and, I don't know, just trying to make friends with her. Looky who's awake! Sissy girl's awake! Hi, beautifuls! Hi, baby! You're so pretty! Your mama's pretty girl? A big stretch! I gotta go grab her a diaper and Lincoln a diaper and get her out of her sleepy sack. Huh? So I gotta get out of my sleep sack. Yeah. I gotta get her out of her sleep sack. Yeah. Ooh, pretty baby. I'm gonna go grab you and Sissy some diapers real quick.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I...
Here, watch out when Mommy changes brother's diaper. Hold on, Mommy's just gonna let her use it while Mommy changes your butt. Okay? Yes. Is that okay? And then you'll have it right back. Mommy trying to keep you and brother quiet at the same time, huh?
baby.
It's an airplane! Today, I'm at Air at the Boeing base in Seattle, Washington.
I wanted so bad to get that clip that I just got for quite a while now, because I want to show you guys what it's really like having 2 under 2. This isn't the glorious page that you usually see here on YouTube. I show the real stuff. I show the raw shit. I show what it's truly like. It's not all smiles and toys and rainbows and kisses and all that all the time. It's not. And you know, I feel like so many YouTubers, like, they don't show what it's truly like. They don't show when, you know, like just a second ago, Sissy's crying because she's either, I mean, I know she's not hungry, I just fed her, she's tired. He was crying because he tripped on his toy and hurt his toe, and he needed his butt changed, and so while I'm changing him, she's screaming her head off, and they don't show stuff like that. I do. I absolutely do, because I want you guys to see what it's really like in my life. I want to document these times, so I remember these times. So I have them to look back on. But yeah, I've been wanting to get that for so long, and I finally did. I had my camera in my pocket and I was like, clip. I just put these ribs in the crock pot. They marinated for 2 days with brown sugar, some tahini, some steak sauce, or not steak sauce, steak seasoning, and barbecue sauce. That was like my dry rub, and then over top of it I put the barbecue sauce for like the wet. And now I stuck them in the crock pot. I was gonna put them on the grill, but I didn't have time to steam them, so I just went ahead and threw them in the crock pot, and they will be ready to go after our family get together. We'll have dinner as well. So that is flip-flopping awesome.
Susie's laying here trying to tell me something, huh? Are you trying to tell me, Mom, you gotta get me dressed so we can go? Is that what you're trying to tell Mama? Are you trying to tell Mama we gotta go? Yeah. You're so beautiful, blue-eyed baby. You know that? You're so beautiful, blue-eyed baby. Yeah. Does your teethers hurt? You've been chewing them thumbs like a crazy woman. Yes, you have. You've been chewing your thumbs like a crazy woman. I love you, beautiful. You're so pretty. Oh, yeah? You silly girl. You're so silly. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you got a whole lot to say, huh? Yes, you do. You got a whole lot to say. Oh my goodness. I love her so much. She's so perfect. So perfect in every way, huh? Are you perfect in every way? Yeah, you are. You're so beautiful, baby.
Cleaned the house today. I didn't record it because I don't know why, I just didn't. It wasn't a deep clean, so really I didn't feel the need to. But I will be doing a deep cleaning video once a week of 2 rooms out of my house. But which will probably be the playroom and the bathroom, probably, I would say. Yeah, because the playroom needs cleaned badly, and the bedroom or the bathroom needs a deep clean too. So The only thing that sucks about recording in the bathroom is we still have not gotten an electrical thing fixed in there, so we keep that breaker off because Willie swears up and down that it's gonna catch on fire. So just precautionary reasons we do that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I did the dishes, cleaned up the house like I said, and now it's time for, yeah, see, it's time for me and Sissy girl to get dressed and together, huh? Yeah, you gonna get ready with Mama? That way we can go to Grandma's house? Yeah? We can go to Grandma's house, see Aunt Jenny? Oh yeah, are you so excited? Alright, babe. Alright, oh goodness. What? What? I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on Joey. Joey is doing so good. If you haven't been watching my videos like consistently, I've actually put out like a few short clips, like 2-minute clips, 5-minute clip of Joey like talking and whistling, and like I gotta hide my camera, which is usually my phone, because if I put this out she shuts up like now. So I usually like will hide my phone in like the flower pot and then she doesn't notice. And a little update on Lincoln. Yesterday, okay, Lincoln loves these straw cups. I usually always have the bigger one for him, but Walmart only had the 7-ounce ones and not the, I think the other one's like a 10-ounce or something like that. They didn't have that, the 10-ounce one. They only had the 7-ounce one, and they only had the ones with the handles on the side. But the way I looked at it is, Avea is going to be drinking out of these cups here very shortly, so might as well go ahead and just get it anyways. Well, Willie and I have made the joint decision to, I think Lincoln's awake, to start taking the straw cup away during the daytime, because he will drink like 7 to 8 bottles like this a day of water and juice, and it's just not a good thing. So we have decided to go ahead and take the straw cup away. Now the only time that he does drink that much is with the straw cup. Something with the straw makes him drink it a lot faster, so he wants more of it. So what we did was, it's not in here, but we got him more of these the Munchkin cups, but we got him the bigger ones without the handles in the color blue. And it slowed him down on drinking as much juice and stuff a day, so he's not peeing through his clothes. Because one time I timed it, he literally filled up an entire diaper in less than 10 minutes. In less than 10 minutes. If that doesn't tell you how much that child is drinking fluids, I don't know what does. Like, that is literally freaking insane to drink that much water and that much juice to fill your diaper up in 10 minutes. Also, we're gonna start potty training. So I want to show you guys the toilet seat that we got. What, sissy? What is it? You want a different one? Woo! Hi, babe. Are you getting aggravated? Don't mind our bathroom. It is a little bit of a mess. Okay, this toilet right here, I was potty trained on this toilet. my cousin Jessica was potty trained on this toilet. My grandpa made it for me when I was 1.5, 2 years old. And my grandparents kept it, and I'm so glad that they did because my grandpa's no longer here. But trying to get a boy to successfully pee, like this has, it's got like a little lip thing. I don't know if I can get you guys to be able to see it. No. There's like a thing that this actually slides up into where it stays up on it like that, but move my hand and push it forward, then it would be okay. Anyways, it's hard to get him to get into this hole just by sitting on it. So I can probably potty train Avea on the seat, but not Lincoln. So we got a new toilet seat, and now we have to get new locks because the sticky does not work on this one. It got taken off. This right here. All you gotta do is pop that out, and bam, you have a small child seat. And this thing pops out very, very easily. Willie just left the directions on there, I guess, for me. I don't know. But, and it doesn't, like, you can't even tell that it's there unless, like, when you look at it. But you ain't gotta lift up both seats at the same time, you know? Is that Mama's baby? Did Mama leave you? Mama left you, so you thought. You hitting the buttons? Are you hitting the buttons, baby? He's a piano player. Are you gonna be the next Beethoven? Female version of Beethoven? I love you, baby.
Let's play and learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
Alright, but that is all of the updates that I have for you guys. This video is probably going to be a little bit shorter than usual. Wow, I really have some bags under my eyes. I haven't been getting much sleep, and then when I do try to fall asleep, Willie gets mad, so whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna feed her. I'm gonna end this vlog. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being kind and following our family. Thank you for everything. If you guys ever need to get a hold of me, I will link my Instagram right here. And you guys can always get a hold of me on there or comment down below. And I will leave Instagram, email, and TikTok in the description box below. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button that's right there. Ring that notification bell, and you will be uploaded or notified on every video that I upload. Bye.